Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Dan and this is Go Drive. So I've been wanting to start this channel for a really long time, and today was the day I finally decided to get up and just do it. That's also why the car is completely filthy. I didn't give myself the chance to back out of this and start washing the car and everything. So this is a 2016 ATSV. For those of you that don't know, this is a twin turbo V6. It's got about 460 horsepower. Yeah, so let's take a look. Alright, so I have a couple things in mind for this car. I just ordered a set of wheels to get some drag radials on. Haven't ordered any drag radials, so if you guys have any recommendations, leave a comment below to let me know what kind of drag radials I should be ordering. And it is completely stock, doesn't even have exhaust. These things are insanely quiet from the factory, so that's probably going to be coming next after the drag radials. So this car is also equipped with the PDR, the Performance Data Recorder. I was actually really interested in trying this out. My buddy has a Draggy, so we'll be testing this and the Draggy compared to taking this car out to Bradenton Motorsports. So we'll see how accurate this is, and as well as the Draggy. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and give a startup, not a cold startup, but a startup nonetheless. So here we go. I know, it's quiet. I gotta change that, like, pronto. Alright, so since the car is completely stock, I'm planning a trip to go out to Bradenton Motorsports before the wheels come in and I get drag radials ordered. I want to see what the car can do in its state now, and then we'll start doing comparisons and see as we progress with the car. So that'll be coming to the channel pretty soon, hopefully. And other than that, just leave a comment below and let me know what you want to see in the future videos. Thank you.